Welcome to the Cumberland Falls. Cumberland Falls is a waterfall in Kentucky, United States, known as the Niagara of the South, located in Daniel Boone National Forest. It was rediscovered by explorer Thomas Walker in 1750 and named after the Duke of Cumberland. Originally a popular recreation spot, it was purchased and managed by several people until the DuPont family donated to the state in 1930, becoming Cumberland Falls State Park in 1931. Explorer Thomas Walker rediscovered the falls in 1750. Walker named them after the Duke of Cumberland. The first recorded owners were Matthew Walton and Adam Shepard in 1800. The falls served as a hospital during the American Civil War. In 1930, the DuPont family donated the 539 acres to the state, and the park was officially dedicated on September 7, 1931. It is the only place in the Western Hemisphere where a lunar rainbow can be seen during a full moon. One of the most unique phenomena of the falls is the possibility of seeing a moonbow, similar to a rainbow. This phenomena can be seen only at nighttime, during a full moon night. The park itself offers a beautiful hiking trails. "17 miles of hiking trails that went throughout the park to scenic areas. The Moonbow Trails connect with many backpacking trails in the Daniel Boone National Forest. Cumberland Falls has a nickname. It is known as the Niagara of the South.